What's going on, everybody? Back with another video. I know it's been a while since I've done like some kind of, review on stuff. Life has happened. Lots of things are going on, but I wanted to come to you today with this review. It's not of the phone. I'm using my iPhone right now, but I'm using the new DJI. I say it's new. It's probably not that new. The DJI Mobile 5. And the last time I used the DJI Mobile, it was like the Mobile 3. And it didn't work well with my Samsung at all. And it was a little annoying. It just didn't work. It didn't track well. It was a mess and I had to return it. And I bought a gimbal for my my 1DX Mark II, and that works pretty well. There is also a software with the Ronin S that you can use for the tracking as well. So I haven't tried that. You stick the phone on top of your camera and it's supposed to work the same way as this mobile is supposed to work. But this one is a lot easier, obviously, because you don't have to balance the entire camera. The 1DX is a beast, and it's very hard to balance. But this thing right now seems to be working really, really well. What I honestly wanted to use about this was the active track, and we're using active track right now. And I think you don't have to really before it seemed like people tried really hard just to be like stiff and things like that. But I find it that trying to make it work, it seems like it works pretty damn well, in my opinion. It can track a lot faster than the previous ones did. And it looks like the capabilities of it turning, it literally stops right there. Now it will work if I walk all the way back around. You see if it loses me behind this plant here. It did, and it picked me back up, and the limit of it going is right there. If I jump down, it's gonna follow me. But it won't go left anymore. So it's got a pretty big field, pretty big field of view. Here I go. See if it sees me. Oh, did it lose me? It lost me. It lost me. I don't know if there's like a hand gesture thing to get it to track again, but if it does lose track, all you gotta do is tap the screen, draw a little bitty box. It doesn't even have to cover your whole head, and it's back to tracking. So that's kind of the few things that I've seen actually working with this in the last day or so. I mainly wanted to get this feature simply so I can give you guys video of what I'm doing when I'm working. So this will work too, but it's gonna work more for me. Active track is gonna work more for me like when I'm in the garage doing like heat pressing and stuff like that. But for videos where I'm going to be doing like epoxies, epoxying, fringes and stuff like that, I'm going to have it kind of directed basically down here so you can see what my hands are doing versus my face. But it works all the same, and it works really, really well. A great $160 spent, in my opinion. I don't think anything like this should cost any more than like $200 because mainly you're using it with your phone or your software, and the gimbal is like the hardware, but it shouldn't cost that much and break the bank. But I'm loving it so far. I think that if you are in the market for something like this, you need to identify what you're looking for, what you're expecting out of it, and then it's a good purchase. But for me personally, I simply wanted it to do this. I wanted it to be able to follow me while I'm doing like my orders and stuff like that, so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I don't have to worry about staying in focus or having the camera just set up at one spot and hoping that it keeps my focus. This one is really, really, really well. And I'm using the front camera too, so I'm sure that, if you're doing your own thing and you're filming, so for example, let's see. And I have the tripod thing all the way out, but yeah, you can see, I mean, it does a pretty good job of following. Oh, it lost me. Red box. And so I guess when it loses you, you just need to draw a box on your face again, and it works pretty well. So yeah, I'm liking it. I'm definitely liking it. But yeah, this is the DJI mobile, Osmo Mobile, whatever you want to call it, DJI Mobile 5. It works well. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm digging it for sure. I'm digging it for sure. I have to get used to when it's in horizontal mode to look at the camera right there. I'm always looking at the damn red square or just looking dead at the phone. But anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, so far, flawless. Oh, not flawless, but it works. You know, it works. It works. And honestly, dude, I don't know. I'm really glad that I decided to pick it up this time. I wasn't gonna get like a smooth or something like that, but you know, this worked. Excuse me, this worked. So, anyways, yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.